and I want you. Oh yeah. No Jack, we try to show you type of things.
Hey you guys, so I want to show you a quick unboxing of some hair that I got from Alipearl Hair. I'll be sure to link their Amazon store as well as their Aliexpress store down below. I wanted to start off by showing you guys an unboxing of this hair and just quickly going through the steps that I did prior to applying this wig. As you can see, I did go in and bleach the knots. So if you guys are interested in learning more about this hair, please stay tuned. So I've been wearing this wig, I think I wore for like 4 days straight, 3 or 4 days straight, and I decided to do a like braid out situation. So I wanted to show it to you guys really quick so you guys, you know, can see how it's looking right now before I take everything out. I'm going to give you guys the rundown about this wig. First of all, if you want to save $10 off, use my code OhSo805 and that will save you $10 off your entire order. And this unit's already affordable, so you know any extra savings is just a plus. This wig is a 4x4 lace wig, meaning you only get lace in this area. And at first I looked at that as a con for the simple fact I was expecting a frontal wig. However, as I began to work with this wig, I believe I wore it like a total of like 4 to 5 days, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like, yeah, today should mark my 4th or my 5th day of wearing this wig, should I say. And I really enjoy how effortless it is to apply this wig. So initially what I was looking at as a con became a pro. If you want like a custom made closure wig, then basically that is what this is. The density is supposed to be 200% density. However, I don't agree with that. This is all the hair to the front and it's giving me like 130% density vibes. The texture of this wig is called natural wave and the length that I'm wearing is 18 inches and I'm 5'2", and this is how it's falling on me. Oh my god, though, she done gained a little weight from the holidays. She gonna bounce back though. She gonna bounce back. But yeah, anyways, y'all know I'm goofy. So this is how the hair is looking from the back right now. And as I told you guys before, I did do a braid out. However, I took the braids out prematurely. They only set in the hair maybe 2 to 3 hours. So it didn't define the hair as much as I wanted it to, but you guys know for the best braid out, you would want to leave your braids in overnight, but I didn't have that kind of time. So this is the texture that it's giving me right now, and it's still kind of similar to the initial texture or the natural texture that it comes in, but I just think this texture is beautiful. It's perfect for the spring and summertime in my opinion, because this is the kind of hair that I can see you wearing to the beach. Or I wish I would have got a clip of how this hair looked all combed out and fluffy, because it's gorgeous. One of the #1 pros about this texture is is so versatile. You can wear it in its natural state. You can do a braid out, you can straighten it, and it does the curls or the waves, should I say. They do bounce back once you put a flat iron to this hair. You can curl it with a flat iron, a curling wand, or anything. So this hair is one of those kind of units that I would say is a staple unit. And it's 18 inches. I feel like it's a nice kind of everyday wig. Even though I don't feel like this is 200% density, it's still full enough for like that nice natural everyday kind of look. And I've really been loving this wig. I don't receive too much tangling and the shedding is very minimal. So if you're interested in checking out alipearl.com, I'll leave all their information down below, and I'll leave a direct link to this wig. All the information or like the specs on the exact wig that I'm wearing will also be in the description box. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and comment and let me know how you feel about this unit. Share it with anybody who you think will like this kind of wig. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching.